Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. The events of 30th June 2024 are followed. Bengali date 15 Ashar 1431. As per Benimadhav Sil Ponjika, today's Tithi is Krishna Navami up to 1310 hours and after that Krishna Dashami. As per Benimadhav Sil Ponjika, today's Nakshatra is Revati Nakshatra and up to 0903 hours and after that Ussini Nakshatra. Today is International Asteroid Day. Today is Social Media Day. Today is National Meteor Watch Day. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Dadabhai Nauroji. Today is death anniversary of Lord Rayleigh. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Paul Berg. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Cicelo Milosz. Thank you very much for your patience.